new game that I have played. It's called Blockman Go, but this is kind of like Roblox. I don't care about your voice. Take with Bill 1 times. What? Collect the fruits. But let's go give him the reward. Give me the reward. Give me, thank you. Give me the reward. Draw a silver and egg machine. Draw now. Open. Let's go open. Oh, what egg do I got? Oh, SpongeBob. That's an epic. What? Oh. Look at the epic. Oh my. What? The Bee Simulator. The Bee Simulator. This is kind of like Bee Simulator. Oh, freak. The birds do. Oh, the birds. Okay, this is definitely Bee Swarm Simulator. They stole Bee Swarm Simulator. They stole freaking bee. Freaking steal Bee Swarm Simulator. They stole it. There's even the shop. There's fine, the eggs are different. The eggs. Even the bee! That's a bee there! That blue thing, the blue kind of thing, that's a bee! And it's even level 4! You have to get... Fine, maybe you have to get 5 bees, but still! Silver egg is for 3. That's 3. How about this? How about the bronze egg? Oh, okay. So the silver is better. It's better. Okay. I don't know. Oh, okay. Hello, Manna, open the game. Is it egg? Oh, Twitter. What kind of world? Carriers? Cost? Okay. What are you? I thought I equipped you. Carry. There. No, you carry. Oh, there you are. Okay. Why I only got convert? Okay, that makes no sense. These are freaking the same thing as Bee Swarm. Rock, scissors, magnet. What? Shovel? This is the exact same thing. Except there freaking no thing. Freaking no people here. Oops. 1,000. I want to get the rock. Where's my rock? Oh, it's 2 chests. Crystal egg machine? What? What? Oh, there. What? Nothing. I'm good. Let me go get the rock. Wow, wait, what? Can I buy something? No. Back capacity. maybe not. Maybe not. I'm not going to spend at the shop yet. I want to see what this crystal egg machine, which is the crystal. A gold bag machine. Oh my god! 13? What? How do we... Oh yeah, it's doing quest, right? Yeah, doing quest. Okay, Bill. Better give me some good. Give me something good. Quick! Collector or back? Back collector or back? Why do you want me to buy a collector or back? What will I even get? What? Well, the rock will be effective, so I'm just going to get that. It's kind of a waste of money, but hey, we want to get some stuff and also maybe get some goods. Wow! Oh, that's just my fruit. I only collected 50. Oh, you only can do one quest at a time. Flying Pete. Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah, it's that Superman. Oh, it's a pig. Yeah, oops. Okay, so let's now talk to the doctor. Give me my reward. You better be something good. Now, it's not. Give just me the breaking. The egg ticket. Now. No. I think Billy gave me that. $200 from the flying pig, from the flying freaking pig. What in the freaking world? What happened? Let's go to Bill first, okay? Let's go to Bill first. Anyways, my backpack is full, so why not do this first? Thank you! Okay, now let's go to my dang thing and convert. So very weird. Just converting, bro, it's very weird. Hey, Peter got a ticket. Okay? Flying Pig Peter, okay? So I trust him that he's going to give me something that's obviously the egg ticket. What do you call it? Okay, just minding my business. Minding my business. Oh my god, and first player mode is actually cool. What? It's actually cool in first player mode. Okay, this is automatically just copied Bee Swarm Simulator. Okay? Automatically, okay? Wow. We'll give you task every 4 hours. What? Oh, shoot, and a ding dong, boys. Go get a gold egg, guys. That's all good. Rare tree appearing reap field. This is the key. Go, Is there anything up? This copy Bee Swarm Simulator. What? This actually copied Bee Swarm Simulator. Hey, this is not allowed when I'm going to play because I got nothing to play. Yeah, this definitely copied Bee Swarm Simulator. Ah! Bee copied Bee Storm Simulator. This makes no sense. Make no sense. I'm just copying another game. Why? What? Why would you want to do that? Why? Why you just copied a game? How would you go up there? Just get. How much? How? This freaking house! Oh. Spider? Okay, I have to get 4 birds. Easy, easy, easy. Let's just go get the best. Draw the best pet the best egg that I can find. Of course. I got a rare. I got a rare. Hey, so rare. So rare. It's so rare. Well, that's it. I couldn't say. Could not say. It was not the thing. It wasn't the rare. 10,000? What? I don't need that, I guess. I quit that. What? Oh, shoot! Oh, it's really nice. Shit! So, God, who cares? Let's just go back. Let's play it back. Just go on back. Come on, give me a bag. Freaking. I forgot I was recording XD. Okay. Actually, we should go to the grape thing, because you know the moon thing. What? Huh? How come that was here? I forgot it was 15. I'm just so scared by a freaking beetle. It's just a beetle. I got a cookie. What can I feed? Give me double speed! What? Oh! Okay, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to record, okay? Okay. This is taking forever! Alright? Just stop a bean! So let's cut it! Can I just eat it? Can I slice it with my freaking rack? Does this rack have rabies? Does all of my birds got rabies? Why is it taking forever? Come on! Just put out rabies! I need rabies today to destroy this thing! Run! Huh? I got 2,000. Spinning. Oh. Okay, this might take for 100 years. I thought it was freaking Roblox for a second there. I thought I was playing Bee Swarm. Oh. Shoot. Freaking killing me. Are you freaking me? Bang, 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 bang. Ding, 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 ding. This might take forever, but I'm officially more better than Coco Breton. Officially confirmed. Confirmed. Beltron helped Coco Breton get 2 tier 5 in the banana farm, but I did that all by myself. And second, I got all of the upgrade. Monkey Wall Street. What? Yeah, I got some Monkey Wall Street. So, okay. Nada. I'm not missing that. I'm not missing that. number chunk. What is a number chunk? Goodbye. That makes me so confused. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't want to play that. I didn't want to play that game. No. No. Alien attack? Sorry, alien with S. Aliens. Oh, you have to fight. I thought we spawned 1 million aliens. Yeah! Okay! Go! And quick! And already! Press again! Quick! And quick! Who cares? Let me just play! Play! Or the aliens. Yeah. Am I freaking by myself? What's that sound? Hearing a shooting sound. World was with that. Taking forever. Let me in. Okay, let me in. Watching this video, by the way. Okay, I maybe should warn you before, but if you watch it at home, I stopped shooting. You see my hand? Hear that? You're shooting. Years later, 1 million years later, Vice City, Visa,
Go up, give mommy a moment before.
What's up? No, Sisa.
Do not step on the bed.
Sisa. What does it mean? I don't know.
What does it mean?
Well, it's a chicken nugget. JK, it's not. When you find a perfect game, come on, load. Ultimate Fighting, Walking Dead, Capture Flag, Boast, please. And what do you mean? And 20 run, but Battle Royale, Ultimate Fight. What? Some infection? Mega Walls! Let's go, baby! Mega Walls! What does that mean? Duckman Strike! TNT Tag! Mini Town! Mini Toon! No? Alright. What? I'm confused. confused, guys. Do you know? Do know? No. Then I will kill this game now. Can we play the Battleshito? The Battleshito. You? Snowball battle. What are you playing away? All of these things. I'm just gonna play this game because it seems cool. It looks cool too at the same time. So I'm just gonna play it because I don't know. Good recall. 911. Yeah. Yes. Load in. Load. Okay, fine. Fine, let's stop. Load. Double D. It's okay. Well, just ignore that we did not see that whatsoever. Wait, no. We did not see that. What do you mean we see that? No, we did not. We did not see that. We did not see just that. Yeah, we did not see that. Yeah, see? We did not see that. Okay. Lord, boom. Still for girls. How do you be a boomer? Boomer! Yeah, okay. Boomer! Did I pick a wizard? I think I picked the victim. Did I pick the wizard? Don't tell. I have to be the boomer. No. Let me be the boomer. Okay, fine. Next round, I'll be the boomer. Oh. Okay, this is a fireball. Oh, I'm the boomer. Right? Skill 3. Yep, I'm the boomer. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Skill 2. Oh my. Why does it got a frag bomb? That has successfully captured the frag bomb. I'm right. Okay. Ah! Bang. No. Skill 3. Oh. What? You can do that? Out. I'm the bomber. I like. I should be the shooter, actually. Yeet! Bam! Bam! Watch out! Huh? Bam! Watch out! No! I think we're going to do skill 3. Yes, we did it. Skill 2! What? Hey, Dinky. What's this? What? Why did I scream? Oh, shoot! Attack! Now you don't steal my friend. What? Next game. I'm going to pick a different. I'm going to pick a different now. Bomber's pretty good, okay? Because you know, Mr. Boom or like Belter the Screen, my cousin. If you don't know, just watch my first video, okay? No. As we do technical difficulties. Next round. Looks like everybody's English. No, maybe not. What in the freaking? Maybe not. Let's see. Swordsman, shooter, thieves, bomber, master. I'm going to pick the shooter. I guess I'm English. Okay, so the shooter skill. Let's see what this do. Skill T. Oh. Short bow? No, that's my weakness. Already coming? No! Already? What? Why am I by myself? I'm by myself. Why is everybody not here? What? Why am I by myself? What? Well, see, useless. Well, bye guys, because I got 5% and see you next time.